Ex-Chief Minister and Biren has expressed strong apprehension that the unofficial numbers of illegal immigrants in the state could be much higher than the official ones. In a social media handle on X, Biren highlighted that the UNHCR reports about nearly 64,300 Myanmar nationals have crossed into India since 2021. He added that only few people, including his colleague, had paid attention to the issue when he warned about the matter long ago. Biren further underscored the need for containing the issue, stating that the people of the state cannot sit idle and must work harder before the issue consumes them. It may be mentioned that the UNHCR reported that 64,300 people from Myanmar's northwest region have sought protection in India since February 2021 and 6,800 have registered with UNHCR in New Delhi. It also mentioned that the Chief Minister of Manipur had reported about the deportation of around 360 out of 5,800 identified illegal immigrants from Myanmar in Kamjong district, and the biometric data of over 5,100 migrants was reportedly collected for future deportation.